This is a display of the status of the full cluster, including the individual nodes, loads, network, traffic. Memory utilization. And what the memory is being used for. InfiniBand traffic. The health of the storage, RAID devices. Individual compute node loads. Percentage of memory in use. Over various time periods. You can see the load. Network traffic over various time periods. InfiniBand loads, memory loads. In this case, over the last 12 hours. Now we're moving down to just 1 hour. We're looking at hardware health here now in IPM management. You can see system component temperatures. You can look at cooling fan and peripheral temperatures. Even the memory, you can look at its temperatures and health in the various compute nodes. So as you can see, this is a very good tool for looking at your overall cluster health and individual component health, and in as far as nodes of various types, and even all the way down to individual memory DIMMs. Right now you're looking at entire HPC CPU utilization.